Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Today we're going to look at lesson 7, which is writing equations of lines. This is going to be a shorter video after lesson 6 was so long. So just remember this equation right here, y equals mx plus b. We've been working with it for a while. Remember the m, the number with x, is your slope. And the b, the number by itself, is your y-intercept, which is where it crosses the y-axis. So if we're looking at a graph, it would be wherever your graph is hitting that y-axis. All right, so if you find the slope and y-intercept, you can write an equation. Those are the only two things that you need. So the first thing that you're going to do, there's basically 3 different methods to do this. Today we're just going to focus on method 1, which is using the graph. So I'm going to give you a point and the slope and ask you to write the equation. Now, you can't write the equation without having the slope and the y-intercept. For this example, we have the slope, but we don't have the y-intercept. And no, it's not 6, right? It's where it crosses the y-axis. So what you're going to do is follow these steps. You're going to plot the point and then use the slope like steps to help you find the y-intercept. All right, so the point -3, 6 is going to be a point on our line. So I'm going to go back 3, up 6, right there. Now, our slope is -2/3. So remember, what that means is you're going to go down 2 over 3. We're saying over 3 and going over 3. So if I go down 2 over 3, there's my next point. Down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3. All right, so here's the line we're working with. We want to write the equation of that line. Well, the 2 things that we need, again, are the slope and the y-intercept. Well, we have the slope. They gave us the slope. The y-intercept we can now see on the graph right here. It's hitting the graph at +4. The y-intercept's +4. So put it all together. Your equation is always y equals. Slope goes with x, so -2/3 x. And then your y-intercept is +4 plus 4. There's your equation. All right, let's try another one. This time, I'm not going to give you the slope. I'm going to give you 2 points. And again, this is just one method. I'm going to show you 2 other methods in the next couple of videos. So -2, 5, we're going to plot those points. So back 2, up 5, 2, 4, 5, right there. And my second point is 2, 3, so we're going to go over 2 to the right and up 3. So we're trying to figure out the equation of that line that connects those points. So what I would do is carefully draw a straight line. I'd use a straight edge, ruler. On Kami, you can use the line function. Don't try and freehand, because if you try and freehand, you may not be able to see the y-intercept. All right, so we can find the slope and y-intercept pretty easily. And you can extend this line out. It doesn't just end there. Well, I guess that's kind of funky. Let's see. Whatever, we'll leave it. Let's get it out of there. So we can extend it. But really, we're just focused on... Get out of there. Whatever. We're just focused on finding the slope and y-intercept. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we plotted our 2 points. I drew a line carefully. Now we're going to find the slope and y-intercept. I always like to find the y-intercept first because it's pretty easy. It's right where it's crossing the y-axis. It crosses at 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And my slope, I can see it's going down from left to right, so I know it's negative. We'll figure out how far down it's going. If you went from the 2 points, you're going down 2 over 4. -2 over 4. You're going over 4, you're writing over 4, but that can be simplified. You're going down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. That's what this simplifies to, -1 over 2. That's your slope. If you're not sure, keep in mind you can use your calculator. It'll reduce any fraction for you. -1 divided by, -2 divided by 4. Math, enter, enter. There you go, -1/2. Again, it's negative because you're going down from left to right. All right, put it all together. Your equation, y equals -1/2 x plus 4. All right, so that's today's video, short and sweet. What you're going to do on the next page is what we just did. You have lines there. Tell me the slope, the y-intercept, and write the equation for each one. On number 2, you're going to plot these 2 points and do exactly what I just did in the last one, okay? You can either submit this using Kami, or you can do it in your packet and take a picture. All right, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.